Lemons are a versatile fruit that is used in many different ways around the world. They are a good source of vitamin C and other nutrients, and they can be used to add flavor to food and drinks. Lemons are grown in warm climates all over the world. They are typically harvested by hand and machines, and the fruit is then shipped to markets around the world. The first step in lemon cultivation is to prepare the soil. The soil must be well drained and rich in organic matter. Lemon cultivation is a labor-intensive process that requires careful attention to detail. Lemons are grown in warm climates such as California, Florida, and Spain. Lemon cultivation is a complex process, but it is worth it for the delicious fruit that it produces. Lemon harvesting can be undertaken through two primary methods: manual labor and mechanized processes. In the traditional method of hand harvesting, skilled laborers meticulously pluck each lemon individually, ensuring careful handling to preserve the fruit's quality. This labor-intensive approach, while time-consuming, often yields optimal results, as the pickers can selectively harvest ripe lemons and avoid damaging the delicate fruit or the tree. On the other hand, machine harvesting offers a significantly faster and more efficient alternative. Specialized machinery, equipped with shaking mechanisms and collecting bins, can rapidly harvest large quantities of lemons. While this method streamlines the process and reduces labor costs, it may potentially lead to increased fruit damage and reduced quality, as the machines are less selective in their harvesting. Once harvested, lemons embark on their journey to processing facilities. These modes of transport often involve specialized containers or compartments with controlled environments to safeguard the fruit during its journey. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the lemons undergo rigorous quality control checks before being further processed into various products such as lemon juice, zest, or essential oils. Upon arrival at the processing facility, lemons undergo a rigorous cleaning process to remove dirt, debris, and any residual pesticides. This meticulous cleaning is crucial to ensure the safety and quality of the final products. In many modern processing plants, the washing process is automated, utilizing advanced machinery to efficiently clean large volumes of lemons. The lemons are initially conveyed through a series of washing tanks filled with water. Powerful water jets and rotating brushes remove dirt and loose particles from the fruit's surface. In some cases, specialized cleaning solutions or detergents may be added to the water to enhance the cleaning process. After the initial washing, the lemons are often subjected to a sanitizing treatment to eliminate any harmful microorganisms. This may involve immersing the fruit in a chlorine solution or using other approved sanitizing agents. The sanitizing process is carefully controlled to ensure that the lemons are thoroughly disinfected without compromising their quality. Following the rigorous cleaning process, the washed lemons are meticulously sorted on a conveyor belt system. This intricate system, characterized by its long, winding chain, plays a pivotal role in efficiently categorizing the lemons based on various criteria such as size, color, and quality. As the lemons are transported along the conveyor belt, skilled workers or advanced sorting machines examine each fruit, identifying any imperfections, blemishes, or signs of spoilage. Lemons that meet the highest quality standards are carefully selected and diverted to specific processing lines, while those that fall short of the desired quality are either discarded or sent for alternative uses. This meticulous sorting process ensures that only the finest lemons are utilized in the production of premium lemon-based products. By maintaining strict quality control standards throughout the sorting process, manufacturers can guarantee the consistent quality and flavor of their products, ultimately satisfying the discerning tastes of consumers. Once the lemons have been meticulously sorted into various quality categories, they are carefully segregated and placed in designated areas. This spatial separation ensures that lemons of similar quality remain grouped together, facilitating efficient processing and packaging. As the sorted lemons accumulate in their respective areas, skilled laborers meticulously pack them into sturdy boxes. These boxes are designed to protect the delicate fruit during transportation and storage. The packing process requires precision and care, as the lemons are carefully arranged to maximize space utilization and minimize damage. The packed boxes are then labeled with information about the lemon variety, quality, grade, and weight, ensuring traceability and facilitating inventory management. Giancarlo Polenghi, a renowned name in the world of lemons, transforms fresh, sun-kissed lemons into a variety of products within their state-of-the-art facilities. Each lemon, a masterpiece of nature, is then carefully juiced, preserving its vibrant flavor and essential oils. The resulting juice, a golden elixir, is meticulously filtered and bottled, capturing the essence of the fruit in every drop. Polenghi's commitment to quality is unwavering, as evidenced by their rigorous quality control measures, ensuring consistency and purity in every product. From the classic glass bottles to the innovative eco-friendly packaging, every detail is meticulously considered, reflecting the brand's dedication to sustainability and consumer satisfaction. Whether it's enhancing the flavor of a culinary masterpiece or simply adding a refreshing twist to a daily beverage, Polenghi's lemon juice has become an indispensable ingredient in kitchens and households worldwide. Once the lemons are juiced, they are meticulously filtered to remove any pulp or seeds, resulting in a clear and pure juice. The juice is then carefully bottled, ensuring airtight seals to preserve its freshness and flavor. The bottles are then carefully labeled with essential information, such as the brand name, product name, ingredients, nutritional facts, expiration date, and any relevant certifications. This labeling ensures transparency and helps consumers make informed choices. The bottled juice is carefully packed into boxes or crates, ready for distribution to markets and retailers worldwide. Beyond the traditional processes of juicing and drying, lemon processing in factories often incorporates a specialized step known as the P&D lemon zesting machine process. This innovative technology streamlines the extraction of lemon zest, the flavorful and aromatic outer layer of the fruit. The machine utilizes a rotating drum equipped with a grating surface against which lemons are pressed. As the drum turns, the zest is meticulously peeled away from the fruit, separating it from the pulp and pith. This automated process significantly enhances efficiency and precision compared to manual zesting techniques. The resulting lemon zest, a valuable ingredient in various culinary and beverage applications, is then further processed or packaged for distribution. The P&D lemon zesting machine has revolutionized the production of lemon zest, enabling factories to meet the growing demand for this versatile and sought-after product. By incorporating lemons into daily life, individuals can harness their potential to enhance vitality, improve overall health, and experience the zestful benefits of this remarkable citrus fruit.